how to log in into 8 ball pool games. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, open up the 8 ball pool games or the application on your mobile device. Now, to log in into your account, you can either log in with your Facebook account or Google Play or Miniclip, or you can also play as guest. Now to log in with your Facebook account, tap on login button or login with Facebook button from this interface. After that, you have to enter your Facebook login credentials and then you will be able to log in with your Facebook account. Or if you want to log in with your Miniclip ID, tap on login with Miniclip button, then you will get a login prompt in your interface. Now, first of all, enter your valid email address associated with your Miniclip account, and under that, enter your correct password. In case you forgot your password, there is a link that says forgot password. Under the login button, tap on there and follow some instructions, and that will help you out to recover your account. And after you are done typing in your email and password, tap on login button, then you will be successfully logged into your account. And that's how you can log into 8 ball account. I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe and do not forget to like, comment and hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.